Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cosmopolitan Education. I'm here again. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you are having any doubts, any queries, in that case also don't forget to write in the comment section, and if you like the video then press the like button also. Okay, so just let's come to the topic again, and today I'm going to explain the topic transportation in plants. We have already discussed few things under this topic. We have talked about the process of transpiration, or how the plant is able to lose some water with the help of the process transpiration. We have talked about root pressure, because that is also very important for the excretion of water from the plants. And as the plants has to transport two different things only, it has to transport water and minerals as they are in dissolved form, and the second thing which has to be transported in the plant, that is the food material, which is being made in the green parts of the plant with the help of a process which is called as photosynthesis. So today we are going to talk about the transportation of food in plants actually, and one very important thing I would like to tell you here when we are talking about the transportation of food, that the plants which are going to produce the food with the help of sunlight and carbon dioxide by the process of photosynthesis with the help of a pigment chlorophyll. So the food which is finally produced, which is made by the green parts of the plant, it is in the sucrose form. It is present in the form of sucrose, and when the food is transported, so basically this sucrose is being transported to different parts, or you can say simply from green parts to the non-green parts of the plant, because all the parts which are green in color, that simply means they are having chlorophyll, they are able to make their food, but the non-green parts of the plant, they are not able to prepare their own food. So that's why they need the transport of the food material from the green parts. So how this transportation happens, this is also very important to know when it comes about the transportation in plants. So as you all know, we have discussed this thing, that the transportation of food material which is in sucrose form with the help of phloem vessel, because I have told you that the water and mineral, these things are transported with the help of xylem vessel, and the food which is in sucrose form, it is transported with the help of phloem vessel. So the transportation of food which is in sucrose form with the help of phloem vessel from the green parts to the non-green parts of the plant is called as translocation. Translocation simply refers to the transport of food material, okay, which is in sucrose form. So this definition also comes sometimes, you have to know about this. And now let's talk about the transport of food, how it happens actually. See, here I have drawn, you can simply say this is a tree, understand it like a tree. So here the leaves are present, here also leaves are present, so this simply means these are the green parts of the plant, and in between these two, here or you can say, suppose rub the leaves from here. So this is the non-green part of the plant and this is the green part, and the food has to come from here to here. Okay, it has to be transported from the green parts to the non-green parts, and this is simply the non-green part. Now the food is present here in the green parts with the help of process photosynthesis. The plants have made their food. It is in the form of sucrose. Okay, now the plant or the tree which has to transport the food, it has also very much concern about the other parts of the tree. If this is green part and this is non-green part, so the plant is also very much worried how to transfer the food to the non-green part, because this is actually, this non-green part is also the part of the same tree. So that's why first of all, what will the plant do? It will spend some ATP. It will spend its energy for this transportation. Here first of all, it will spend ATP. Okay, ATP will be spent here, and this sucrose which was present in the non-green part of the plant, it will come here. This is this the vessel which is present in the center, this blue one, this is the phloem vessel. So with the help of energy of the plant, or with the help of ATP which will be spent by the plant, the sucrose will come here in the phloem vessel, because for this process the plant is going to spend its energy. So the food will come here. As the food will come and enter in the phloem vessel, what will happen here in this vessel? The concentration of solute will arise, because sucrose is the solute. As it will enter in the phloem vessel, the concentration of solute will arise here. So there will become a concentration gradient, because earlier there was a normal situation, but as soon as the sucrose has entered here in the phloem vessel, in this region the concentration of solute has been arised. So what will happen now? This phloem vessel is surrounded by xylem vessels. These two vessels are present already in the plant or in the tree. So the phloem vessel is surrounded by xylem vessel. So as the concentration of solute will increase here, it will arise here. What will happen? The water will automatically pass from the xylem vessels, because xylems are the vessels which are responsible for the transportation of water and mineral. Water is already present in this vessel. So they will transport their water to the phloem vessel to compensate the balance, actually, because there has become concentration gradient. Concentration of solute has been increased here. So what they will do? They will give some water to make a balance in between the solute and solvent. So water will pass from the xylem vessel to the phloem vessel. So what has happened now? Here the concentration of solute was already high, and now the concentration of solvent has also become high here, because both the things have been reached here. Earlier they were in their different vessels, but now they have reached in the phloem vessel. So the concentration of water and the concentration of solute, that means concentration of solute and the concentration of solvent, these two have been increased here. So this whole area will become high pressure zone. This will become high pressure zone. So now it has to make a balance, it has to make an equilibrium. So what will happen now? The concentration of solute and solvent has been increased here, so they will pass on, or they will start moving in the vessel to make the equilibrium or to compensate the balance. Actually they will start moving, because now it has become the high pressure zone. It has to be the low pressure zone. Actually it has to be normal zone. So what will happen for that? The things which are present here, they will start moving, they will start coming down, or they can go up also. Suppose if they are coming down, they will come here, and as they will be passing from this zone, as the solutes will be passing, sucrose will gradually come here, and as it will be passing from this area, this is the non-green part of the plant. As it is lacking sucrose was already present here, but here it is lacking because this is non-green part of the plant. It has not made its food, so sucrose is lacking here. That means concentration of solute is very less here. So this is the basic nature of the solute, that it can pass from high concentration to low concentration with the help of the process diffusion. Solutes can pass. So when it will be moving from this region, solute, as its concentration is high here and its concentration is low here, so this sucrose will simply come to this region, that is the non-green part of the plant. It will come here. So in this way you can say that the food which was in sucrose form, now it has been transferred from this region to this region, and in this way only all the other non-green parts of the plant, they get their food. So this was the basic mechanism for the food transportation. I think you must have understood about the transportation of food in plants now. If you are still having any doubt, any query, you can write, you can ask from the comment section. Thank you for watching this one.